Hey Josh, why do you always talk in third person and never refer to yourself as me, all that other good stuff? Well, because I'm Josh, the PEZ guy. That's why. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here. That's me. Like that. I am doing it for you here on the PEZ collection. See? It doesn't sound as good. It messes me up. And, yeah. Anyways. On the PEZboard channel, doing a special update for the PEZ Collection podcast. Do me a favor. Leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns. Hey, Barney. Any and everything down below. Now then. 3.9 made in China. And this one here is not. When we look, we see that this is made in Slovenia on a later patent date, 4.9. But when you compare the two, you can see a difference between thin feet and thick feet. Now the thin feet will come on like China, some Hong Kong, some Austria, and then the Spain ones, super thin. And look how thin they are compared to this Barney Rubble dispenser. Well, I think the reason they decided to thick them up was for this reason. They come off really easily, and they break easy. And then sometimes, see this little separation right here? You gotta look for that damage, even if it looks like the feet are complete. Look down there and see, because it can be pulled right off. You also want to look for stress cracks. There'll be little white marks on the pieces as well. That's what happens right before they break. But yeah. Now these thick feet, look at this. Ah! Yeah, it's not happening. But you can see the stress mark that I'm talking about. Anytime you see the plastic a different color like that in an area that's easy to be damaged, yep, that is going to be your stress mark. But at least it's not a broken foot. So yes, PEZ decided, hey, these are too fragile. They can break off real easy. These, however, cannot. Come on, Garfield, stand. Standing tall. Can't stop Barney. So until next time.